In front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A, and let me show you how to activate Dialpad Sounds on the following device. So let me just show you that currently it is not working, so you cannot hear anything once you are typing the number. But if you would like to change it, just open the settings, then find and select sound and vibration. Here, go to additional settings, and now you will notice Dialpad Tones. So just click here, and now you can notice that once you'll be entering some number, you'll be able to hear each tap. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.